Dear children, heartiest welcome in the English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 2, that is a gift of chapels of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, these are the learning objectives which will be achieved by us after solving the exercise. As you know that I divided this exercise in two parts. In previous video, we had completed the part 1 of this exercise, which contains comprehension check 1 and comprehension check 2. Today, we will solve the part 2 of this exercise, which contains working with text. Let's start. Dear children, the question number 1 is complete the following sentences. The first incomplete sentence is Ravi compares Lali's playing the violin to dash. Let's complete this sentence. Ravi compares Lali's playing the violin to derailing of a train going off track. Second incomplete sentence is trying to hide beneath the tray of chilies Mahendran dash. Let's complete it. Trying to hide beneath the tray of chilies Mahendran tipped a few chilies over himself. Now, third incomplete sentence is the teacher played a few notes on his violin and Lali dash. Let's complete this. The teacher played a few notes on his violin and Lali stumbled behind him. The fourth incomplete sentence is the beggar said that the kind ladies of the household dash. Let's complete it. The beggar said that the kind ladies of the household are very kind souls. Now, the last incomplete sentence is after the lesson was over, the music teacher asked Lali if dash. Let's complete it. After the lesson was over, the music teacher asked Lali if she had seen his chapels. Dear children, let's go to question number 2. Describe the music teacher as seen from the window. संगीत शिक्षक का वर्णन करो जैसा वह खिड़की से दिखाई देता था. The answer of this question is the music teacher as seen from the window was the bony figure. He had a mostly bald head with a fringe of oiled black hair falling around his ears and an old-fashioned tuft. A gold chain gleamed around his leathery neck, and a diamond ring glittered on his hand. His large foot was stuck on the floor, and he was beating time on the floor with the scrawny big toe. Dear children, let's go to another question. The first part of the question number 3 is what makes Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chapels? मृदु इस निष्कर्ष पर कैसे पहुंचती है कि भिखारी के पास चप्पल खरीदने के लिए पैसे नहीं हैं? The answer of this question is the beggar stretched his feet to show large pink peeling blisters on the soles of his bare feet, which made Mridu conclude that he had no money to buy chapels. Now, second part of question number 3. What does she suggest to show her concern? अपनी चिंता व्यक्त करने के लिए वह क्या सुझाव देती है? The answer of this question is Mridu suggested to give the beggar an old pair of chapels if they have somewhere in the house. Now, dear children, let's go to another question. That is question number 4. Have you children? She began, and then, seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly, seen anyone lurking around the veranda. बच्चों, क्या तुमने डैश उसने कहना आरंभ किया और फिर यह देखकर कि वे विचित्र रूप से चुप हैं और अधिक धीरे बात जारी रखते हुए बोली, बरामदे के आसपास किसी को छिपे हुए देखा है? Now, first question is, what do you think रुकुमनी रियली वांटेड टू आस्क? आपके विचार में रुकुमनी वास्तव में क्या कहना चाहती थी? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, आई थिंक रुकुमनी रियली वांटेड टू आस्क द चिल्ड्रन if they knew about the missing chapels. Now, second part of this question is, why did she change her question? उसने अपना प्रश्न क्यों बदल दिया? The answer of this question is, she changed the question because she had doubt that the children had something to do with the chapels. Now, third part of this question is, what did she think had happened? उसके विचार में क्या घटना घटी होगी? द आंसर ऑफ दिस पार्ट इज, शी थॉट दैट श्योरली देयर वॉज चिल्ड्रंस हैंड बिहाइंड दिस हैपनिंग. डियर चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स गो टू अनदर क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ऑन गेटिंग गोपू मामा's chapels, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? गोपू मामा की चप्पलें पाकर संगीत अध्यापक ने ऐसा दिखाया कि वह इतना खुश नहीं है. क्यों? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, ऑन गेटिंग गोपू मामा's chapels, the music teacher tried not to look too happy because he had already declared that his chapels were brand new and bought from Mount Road. In fact, his chapels were old and shabby, but he tried to show that he was upset with the children and with his loss. Now, question number 6. On getting a gift of chapels, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? उपहार में चप्पलें मिलते ही भिखारी क्षण भर में गायब हो गया. वह इतनी जल्दी में क्यों था? The answer of this question is, the beggar was in such a hurry to leave after getting a gift of chapels because he feared that Rukumani might come and take back these chapels from him. Now, last question of this exercise, that is question number 7, is, walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukumani began to laugh. What made her laugh? मृदु और मीना के साथ रसोई घर की ओर जाते हुए रुकुमनी हंसने लगी. उसे किस बात पर हंसी आई? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, रुकुमनी थॉट्स मेड हर लाफ. शी वॉज इमेजिनिंग गोपू मामा's रिएक्शन when she tell him that she gave his chapels to the music master, as she knew that he had the habit of taking out his shoes immediately after coming home and putting on those chapels. So, dear children, these are the question answers of the exercise, that is working with text. I hope you all understand these question answers. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet after seeing this video, so that you can make more understanding about these question answers. Thank you. Be happy and safe.